Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use our smartphone as a remote control for JVC Smart TV. To switch your smartphone into the remote control that is compatible with your TV, we're first going to need to install the Fire TV application on our smartphone. So no matter which device you are using, whether it's an iPhone or an Android smartphone, we're going to have to go to the application store, so either the Play Store or the App Store if you're using iPhone. Then open the search field, then search for Fire TV. Find the Amazon Fire TV published by Amazon Mobile, click install and wait until this application is installed. After that, we're going to have to connect our TV and our smartphone to the same Wi-Fi network. So on your TV, make sure to just check which network you are connected to, navigate to the gear icon, then go to network and check your current connection's name right here. And then make sure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network on your smartphone. Okay, so right now let's wait until the Fire TV application is downloaded. Okay, so once the application is installed, let's open it. And right now let's sign in to the same Amazon account we are signed in on our TV. So select sign in, enter your mobile number or email address in this field. So let me enter mine, then press continue, and then let's enter the password on the following page. Okay, and once you have entered the password, you'll be transferred to this page. Now select your TV on this list and then wait for your TV to receive the connection. You will see this code on your TV screen. You're going to have to enter it in the application on your smartphone. And right now you can start using your smartphone as a remote control for your TV. As you can see here, we have the D-pad, here we have the middle button, of course, the power button, the keyboard. Here we have the Alexa button. We have the applications menu here to quickly manage our apps from our smartphone. Besides, we also have more buttons like settings, touchpad, and we can also enable or disable vibration here. We have return button, we have home button, we have menu button, rewind, play pause or forward button. And if we swipe to the left, we will switch to the channels control button, where we also have the mute or unmute button. And on the right side, we have the applications list to quickly open an application on our TV. And so that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.